If you want to learn how to make money on YouTube with Bitcoin affiliate marketing, then you've landed on the right video, because today we are going to talk about how you can start earning money right now so you can either supplement your existing income, make a full-time income to quit your job, just make some extra cash to save up for that trip you want to take or that house you want to buy, or pay cash for that new Tesla Model X you want to get. Before we get started, this video isn't how to make money investing or trading in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. There are plenty of videos on YouTube for that, and those are the videos that you are going to make after watching this one. But what this video is about is how you can start making money with cryptocurrency affiliate marketing. First, what is affiliate marketing, or specifically Bitcoin affiliate marketing? Quite simply, it's where you recommend a specific Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency trading program. And if someone deposits and trades using your affiliate link or referral code, you will earn a commission. And I will show you real world examples in just a moment. But why Bitcoin and why cryptocurrency? Well, right now, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is making big waves in the news and media.
Thank you, Michael.
Well, now,
the Doge Father.
Okay, Doge Father. So,
Bitcoin, Ethereum right now has an advantage over Bitcoin.
There's one Bitcoin sitting there. Now,
Bitcoin is property.
And you've probably been hearing more and more people talking about it. There are so many reasons to love or hate crypto right now. So let's go over 5 reasons why you might want to consider crypto affiliate marketing. And reason number 1 is Bitcoin is digital gold. Since 2011, Bitcoin's cumulative gains have far exceeded 20 million%, which far outpaces the cumulative gains of the NASDAQ 100 and US large caps. Also, Bitcoin is a scarce resource. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in the future, which means as the demand goes up and the supply is limited, the price of Bitcoin could skyrocket. Now, if Bitcoin is digital gold, then Ethereum, or ETH, is digital silver. Blockchain technology and decentralized applications right now are the future of our economic, legal, and political systems. This technology is at the heart of Bitcoin and other virtual currencies. And without getting into the techie details of blockchain and decentralized applications, many of these programs are built on the Ethereum network, making Ethereum a very strong asset to hold. Back in September of 2015, the price of Ethereum was $1.35 per coin. And at the time of recording, Ethereum price is just over $2,000. Now, if back in 2015 you would have bought $1,000 worth of Ethereum, you would now have over $2.7 million. Here's another reason. Take a look at this chart. Let's say that you made $10 a day and you put it into Bitcoin, and you did this for the last 3 years. Well, if you did that, that $10 a day would now be worth $42,000 or a 288% return. Now this chart compares if you were to put $10 a day into gold, you would still have a 17% return. And if you were to put it into the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you would have $13,000 or a 26% return. So you can see, investing in Bitcoin, you get a very, very large return compared to other assets. Another reason is you can make interest on your Bitcoin or Ethereum coins or other stable coins by storing them in different applications that pay you an annual interest. So for instance, one of the applications that I use is Celsius. I hold my coins in there, and as you can see, I have $435 in interest payments. Here's another program where you can hold your cryptocurrency that pays you an annual percentage rate. For instance, this one is Nexo, and they pay you 6% on any Bitcoin you hold or 6% on any Ethereum you hold within the app. So you can see holding your cryptocurrency in an application like BlockFi Nexo can pay you interest, which is just another form of passive income. The final reason is if you ever want to borrow money at a low percentage, then you can borrow against your crypto. So for instance, against Celsius, you can borrow at 1% APR using your crypto, which is a much lower interest rate than any bank will give you. And beside the low interest rates, there are no credit checks and no origination fees for your loan. Okay, now that you know why to start with Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, let's talk about the how to make money with crypto affiliate marketing. And specifically, we are going to talk about how to make money with YouTube videos, but these methods will work with podcasts and blogs as well. The first step is to do your research to find out what are people searching for in the crypto world. What problems can you solve with your videos? And the first place to start is Google Trends. Now the reason for this is because you want to find a topic that is hot or trending up so you can ride that wave and get many views on your videos. So this is Google Trends, and this gives you all the topics that our people are searching for. So right now there's World Cup because it's being played in Europe. And if I scroll down here, you can see that the COVID vaccine, because right now we're still going through a pandemic, and lots of searches for the vaccine. But I'm gonna come up here and I'm just gonna type in cryptocurrency to see what people are searching for within the crypto world. So if I scroll down here, or if I look at this graph, you can see that since October 2020, cryptocurrency has risen in terms of the amount of searches per month. So if I scroll down here, it gives me related search terms that are on a breakout, meaning there's a lot of searches going on right now, and this graph is going to shoot up. So for instance, SafeMoon or SafeMoon Crypto, these are terms that are really shooting up in terms of the amount of searches per month. If I come back up here and if I change this to, let's call it Bitcoin, you can see that it is rising in terms of the amount of interest over time. But if I come down here, these are the queries that are breaking out again. So for instance, Dogecoin stock price, or I don't know what PLTR stock is, burritos or Bitcoin. Don't know what that is, but this just gives you a good starting point in terms of what topic you can do a video about. So if I were to do a video right here about Bitcoin, you can see that I would be hitting it as it started to rise, which would give me a greater chance of having my video on Bitcoin be seen because more and more people are searching for that. All right, now that we have some topics that we know are potentially trending, it's time to go over to YouTube. And specifically, we want to go to the YouTube search bar. So if I just start typing in, let's call it Bitcoin, you can see, Bitcoin. You can see right here, these are the different terms. These are my search terms, but then it also has different terms that people have searched for. So for instance, Bitcoin mining, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin wallet. These are all terms that people have searched for on YouTube. And if I remember from Google Trends, one of the topics that was searched for a lot or on the rise was SafeMoon. So let's type in SafeMoon, and you can see right here, SafeMoon, SafeMoon AMA, SafeMoon News Today, SafeMoon Exposed. So there's different ways you can find topics. So let's go back to, let's say I want to do a video on how to buy Polkadot. I click on that. I use two Chrome extensions called TubeBuddy and vidIQ to find topics. And I did a whole video on how to find topics to get more views on your videos using these Chrome extensions. And I will leave a link in the card above. So for instance, right here, how to buy Polkadot on Coinbase, it's got 205 views and it was done a week ago. But this one right here, 34,000 views, and it was done 3 months ago. And right here, TubeBuddy is telling me that this is a fair search term. So you want to do your research to find out what is the search volume, how well can you potentially rank for these videos in search, and then the next step is once you find a topic you want to do, you have to create your video. So now it's time to shoot and upload your video to YouTube. And I won't go into that in this video, but there are plenty of videos out there, including some on my channel that show you how to do that. Now, here's the important part. When you upload your videos, in the description of your video, you will want to add different affiliate links to the programs you use and recommend, so that if people use that link and make deposits, you will earn a commission. So if I scroll down to this video right here and click on it, let me pause it. And if I go to show more, in his description, he has two affiliate links, one to Binance and one to Kraken. So if I click on Kraken, and if I were to actually sign in, create an account, and deposit money into Kraken, he will earn a small commission. So let's find another example. So if I go back to YouTube and if I type in KuCoin, which is an exchange, versus Coinbase, which is another exchange, and I look, let's find a video right here. Let's see, KuCoin review. If I click on this, pause it and go to show more. Right here, his KuCoin referral link. If I were to click on this and if I were to create an account and deposit money, he will earn a small commission in KuCoin. Now that you know the basics of why and how you can make money with a crypto affiliate marketing, it's time to get to work and start cranking out videos so you can start earning some referral fees. However, the next question you might have is, what are the best crypto affiliate programs out there? Well, I answered that question in this video right here, so go check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.